So we are going to start with metric conversion factors. When you convert from one quantity to other, and that's where you need conversion factor. You need conversion factor. So how do you get conversion factor? We know that 1000 meter equals 1 kilometer. And we can write unit factors for converting between meters to kilometers or kilometers to meters. So you can see we can write two ways. 1 kilometer divided by 1000 meter, or 1000 meter to 1 kilometer. So these are two unit factors. Conversion factor. We can use either one of it. When we convert from meters to kilometers or kilometers to meter, you can use either one of those. So basically, metric conversion factors. Now, let's work on, again, I'm going to give you one conversion factor. 1 meter equals 100 centimeter. Okay, we are going to write two factors. 1 meter divided by 100 centimeter, or 100 centimeter divided by 1 meter. There are two factors that we can find. Okay, now there is a problem here. We convert 5 centimeter to meter. Now the question is, which conversion factor can we use? Here we have one right here, one factor, and there is another unit factor. Which one we can use? So let's start with, if we have 5 centimeter, that's a given unit, right? Centimeter is a given unit, and we need to select the unit factor which has centimeter at the bottom. Why we need to select centimeter? So at the bottom, so we can cancel it, and we need to convert into meter, so meter should be on the top, right? Now out of these two, which one has centimeter on the bottom?
The left one.
Right, the 100 centimeter and 1 meter. The reason we selected, so we can select centimeter, the given unit should be on the bottom, so we can cancel it out, right? And the desired unit on the top, so we need that unit. Now 5 divided by 100, which is meter, so we get 0.05 meter. So that's how we select conversion factor. Now I'm going to show you steps for that, how we can convert using conversion factor. Okay, so let's start with metric conversion factor. Alright, so before that, let's start with step 1. Step 1, write down the unit asked in the answer. So first we need to write down the unit that we need to find in answer. That's step 1. Step 2 is write down the given value related to the answer. So step 2, you need to write down the given value. Step 3 is apply unit factors. Remember, we need to select the best unit factor so we can convert from given value to the asking value. So what are those steps? Given value from steps 2 times unit factors. Remember, the way we select unit factors, so we can have given value, given units can get cancelled, and finding unit should be on the top. And then you can get perfect unit in your answer. Step 1. So those are the steps we will follow to convert from one unit to other unit. Alright, so now let's work on a problem using these steps. Okay. The problem is, what is the mass in grams of 325 milligram aspirin tablet? Here we need step 1, what we want? Mass in grams. That's the one we want, step 1. Step 2, what is given? 325 milligram. That's given. That's the milligram of aspirin tablet. And we know conversion factor, 1000 milligram equals 1 gram. Now remember, step 2 is 325 milligram times step 3. We know that the way we can set up milligram at the bottom, so we can cancel and we need gram on the top. So 1 over 1000 milligram. And when you divide 325 divide by 1000, you get 0.325 and the unit is in gram. So that's how we follow steps from one unit to other unit, right? So step 1, 2, 3, and then we can practice.